This is Wolverine 5, you're clear to engage. Initials Mike Juliet Alpha.
Try cleaning your handset. Try again. Hitman 2-3, this is Hitman 2-2. How you read me now? 2-3 has you loud and clear. Out. Hitman 2-3, this is Hitman 2-2, over. 2-3, city traffic. Roger, be advised, Redcon 1 and 5 mics. Solid copy, Redcon, 5 mics. Hitman 2-2 out. Hitman 2-2, this is Hitman 2-3. Hitman 2-3, 2-2, go ahead. Roger, hey, I got 2 unknowns moving along this berm. This one here on the right side. I can't see what they got going on, but they're acting kind of funny. Roger, checking. Yeah, you guys should be able to get out the glass and see a little bit better than we can from where we're sitting. Just keep your eyes on them. Copy all. Looks like I got those 2 individuals moving. We're trying to get eyes on them right now, see if they're armed. Roger. Hitman 2-3, this is Hitman 2-2. 2-2, 2-3, go ahead. Hey Roger, hey, off to your left, we've got 2 unknowns moving. You see that grove that's just kind of to the northeast of your vehicle? That's affirmative, understand it's about off your 10 o'clock right now? Yeah, 10 o'clock. It's about 300 meters, it's that date palm grove. There's some people moving around in there. It might just be, locals. Just keep your eyes on them. Roger, they in the center of that palm grove or on the right or left? If you look like right in the center of it, there are some people moving around like white clothing. That's what it looks like to us. Roger, we got eyes on some white pajamas and we'll keep an eye on them. Hey Roger, solid copy. This is Hitman 2-3. 2-3, go ahead. Hey, on this canal crossing, you might want to get a ground guide out. Copy, thanks for the heads up. Roger, 2-3 out.